This is the new Genesis Basecamp System by Jetboil, and one thing we really like about this is that it's very compact. As you can see, it all fits very nicely in this pot. It has a 2-burner stove. You can put a pot on one side and a pan on the other. Another great feature is this lid that has a strainer on it, so you can cook spaghetti and drain it out when you're done. What's unique about this 2-burner stove is that you have an attachment so you can hook up other stoves or a coffee pot to have multiple things going at once. And what that means is if you're traveling with a big group, you can get a couple of these stoves going, a coffee pot going, and you can have everything set up off of one canister of propane.